stepping in the trap for sure. Stepping in and out, but like I ain't got shit to do. I be missing so much shit up for real. I'm stepping on everything they